Hello guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. Today we are heading to Volcano Bay.
Yes, so excited, getting that water.
Yes, it's nice and hot, so yeah, we've got an Uber here. We'll just show you briefly how to get to Volcano Bay from the main sort of Universal hub. So if you're travelling via Uber or Lyft, you'll be dropped off at the surface level Jurassic Park parking lot, and then you'll just head down the escalators which are to the attraction. Once that's done, you're going to join one of the moving walkways. You're going to bypass all of this security because you don't need to go to Universal itself, and then right at the end there you go down to the all bus transportation. There you go, and then you just go down these escalators and there'll be a bus at the bottom, and I'll show you which number it's at. So I believe it is different if you drove in, because another bus stopped in the car park. So this is the quickest one if you're getting an Uber or you've got a bus from a resort that's not part of the Universal. These are all the bus numbers for all the different buses going to the hotels, and it's number 4, the Volcano Bay. And here we are, bus stop number 4. Nobody here yet, so but we did see people on the rides when we were driving past, didn't we?
Yeah.
So it could be busy, but it's a big park.
Really nice, so.
Yeah, it's had a few.
I'll be heading to a waterpark too.
Yeah, everyone's got the same idea. Are you excited? What are you most excited for?
Really like the what is it, ferocious river?
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun, especially with those life jackets.
Yeah.
Just like pulls you around. So again, we will be using the GoPro when we're in Volcano Bay as much as we can. There are some rides that you're not allowed to use it on, isn't it? So the Fearless River will definitely be able to use it on, but I think there's some slides that are okay and there's some slides that aren't. So we'll see which ones they are. Yeah, we'll report back. Security, and you have to take towels out of your bags when you go in through. Not looking exactly why, but hey, if you come in, make sure that it's out before you get through the scanning process. Excited?
Yeah.
Right, so starting off, we're heading through Waturi Marketplace towards the lockers, getting rid of our bags, getting changed, and then straight onto some rides. There we go, all changed. Now to get into the wave pool. It's considerably warmer than the other day in Typhoon Lagoon, which is always a plus. Done in the wave pool for now, aren't we?
Got a breath after all them waves.
So we're going to head over. We're going to try and get a tap and return thing for one of the like the slides, and then head into the Fearless River, one of our faves.
Yeah.
So it looks like the app posted on 75 minutes, so we're going to get a return time for that, and then head and do the not so lazy river. I think most of the other rides though, they look like they're walk-ons, don't they?
Yeah, for now.
So yeah, for now it is early in the day, not long open, so we'll see. So return time secured for the aqua coaster. We are going to go into the Fearless River for a bit. And most of the rides are walk-on. We have been told that you can't take cameras on to virtually every slide, so we're just going to put you away after the Fearless River. So we're going to head back to the locker payment things for the tapu tapu, so that you can just get a bite to eat. Because Emily is super hungry because she didn't eat last night. She was feeling ill, so we're just making sure that we have a little bite to eat just to get us through the day. Until a bit later, where we'll probably get one of those massive surfboard pizzas. Just done a couple of rides, but we'll come back and grab the drink, so we're going to get it refilled. One thing I would say is definitely consider bringing like pool shoes or something like that.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, it is red hot.
So once you buy the cups from like the Universal parks, you can use them in Volcano Bay as well. Just have to pay to get it reactivated, which is about £11 dollars. That one. And
yeah.
then you can fill it up all day then.
Yeah, but you can use it like to park hop as well, can't you?
Yeah, it's not just the whole day, wherever you go.
Yeah, which is quite useful. I really burnt my shoulders in a mixture of today and when we were in Typhoon Lagoon the other day. Yeah, it's been really hot these past few days, which it wasn't at the start of the holiday, was it?
No, thankfully it's improved now.
Thank God. I think we're just going to sit in the shade and have this drink, and then we're probably going to do like the lazy river with the rubber dinghies for a little bit, and maybe go on the Fearless River again as well.
Yeah.
We've done a few of the raft rides, so I'm just going to take a break from that before, in case we do them all and then we're like, okay, now
we're done now.
Yeah, because the party's open until 5 and it's only like 2 o'clock now, so plenty of time. So we picked up some chocolate ice cream with sprinkles. Yeah, we've got another refill of the drink as well. So we're going to go find somewhere to eat this, like sit down and eat it properly. Yeah. Here we go, perfect sunbathing spot right in front of the volcano. I'll show you now. And yeah, we've got our ice cream, so we're just going to relax, eat these, and possibly head into the lazy river. Ride around the lazy river, wasn't it? But now something a little bit more extreme. The Fearless River again. I've literally lost the opportunity to get that kid out. I didn't realise she was getting out. Traitor! And here she is. The traitor. What a traitor. Can't believe you. Unbelievable. Right, so it's coming up to 4:45. Actually, that's past 5, so I think we can get changed and grab something to eat. So we will see you in just a couple of seconds. Whoa, we're back. So we are now going to get a specialty cocktail, which comes in like a souvenir cup, and then get some food before heading out.
Yeah, get a pizza board.
Yeah, because the weather has taken a turn.
We were going to get out anyway, so
yeah.
we're quite lucky really.
The storm has started to come in. It's not raining or anything, but they're due lightning, so everyone out basically.
Yeah.
Here we go, so we've got a rum punch, and what is yours?
Hawaiian. I think Hawaiian soup.
Blue Hawaiian.
Blue Hawaiian.
There we go. So yeah, we've got two different ones.
A bit ruined.
Yeah, it's all up in there. But yeah, we've got two different ones, so we can try both and mix and match. Cheers.
Half an hour later and he's finally back.
they're like closing down for the day, so they were cleaning the fryers, so they had to reset them. So I had the pepperoni pizza fresh, and then by the time the chips, that's fries had actually come, the pizza was like cold, like stone cold, so I had to get that changed as well. So
Fun.
yeah. And thus concludes our day here in Volcano Bay.
That's been so good.
Yes, it has. That food at the end was the cherry on top. We're going to head out now. I think we're just going to head back to the hotel, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll soon, so hopefully we'll make it through after big maneuver.
Yes, and then after that, I think we're going to try and head out for food tonight.
Yeah,
Try something. Yeah. Try something different.
Yeah.
So after what felt like the longest bus journey,
It was, that's why.
that journey should have only taken 20 minutes, but it took an hour. He didn't check where people were going, other than the Rosen, because that was like the final stop. So he just made his regular rounds, and the people just weren't getting off because obviously they weren't going there. Made a stop at SeaWorld as well.
Which no one got on at.
Nobody got on. So yeah, it was a lot of wasted time, which was really infuriating. But we got some cans, so we're heading back to the room for a little bit, just to chill. Might sit by the pool.
Yeah, might do.
Yeah, and then yeah, we'll head out a bit later. So we are off out. It's a couple of hours later. We had a little bit of a relaxing
So
time.
nice just to chill.
Watched a bit of The Office in the hotel. And yeah, we're gonna head out now and then head to IHOP for a little bite to eat and some pancakes. So I went with the chicken tenders with chips and barbecue sauce, and Emily went for, what was it?
Sirloin steak. You get corn and mac.
And yours came with a side of like 2 pancakes. So a lot on your plate.
Yeah.
All finished. What did you think to your first IHOP?
Yeah, it was nice. It's a bit different.
I think you were not dreading it, but you weren't looking massively forward to it, were you?
It's okay.
Yeah,
Alright for the price.
we decided against pancakes in the end. We were going to share some. It's just too full. I think we're going to come back for breakfast at some point, aren't we?
Yeah.
More of a breakfast item anyway, but we're going to look in the classic tat shop across the way. I've got all these squishmallows here as well, and plenty of Disney ones, including Pooh. Plenty of plush toys as well. So if your kid is wanting a plush toy, maybe consider coming to one of these. Save a bit of money. There you go, if you want to make it look like you've got a lounge fly. Plenty on offer. Plenty of merch with the year on it, just in case you want to commemorate the occasion. Plenty of Disney bucket hats as well, including the Stitch one. Emily's first reaction to the real gator heads and sharks in formaldehyde. Yeah. What do you think? Oh, and also back scratches as well.
Oh, sharp.
What did you think to your first America tap shop? It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially those like gator heads and everything. Not a big fan of them. Right, we are gonna walk back to the hotel now. It's been quite a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't actually feel like for once.
Yeah. Back at the hotel. Time for bed. So I think we're going to end the vlog here. We've got Animal Kingdom in the morning, and then I think we're going to park up over to Epcot. We'll try and do Guardians. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a magical day. Bye.